Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to change email address on Gmail and mobile. If you want to know how it's done, in this video is for you. In order to successfully do this, what we can do is we can head over right here to our actual settings. So Gmail actually doesn't have that feature. As you can see when I search, you can change your Gmail address. However, you can set up email forwarding. In order to set up an email forwarding, you need to purchase a domain. In order to purchase a domain, just search in here for domain sell. And in here, you can see in here a lot of options, like for example, this domain.com, and you can also head over and then buy some domain. So you can search in here for buy domain, and you can see in here GoDaddy, Namecheap, Hoster. So just head over to any application right here, a site, and then just type the domain you want. So for example, you want to use in here this ytvidhow. You can search for the extension you want, and then it will show you some things, like for example, this particular URL that you can choose for this one. You can actually buy this, and you can set up the email forwarding in order to change the email address on Gmail and mobile. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.